Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to show your gender on your Facebook page, using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. It's a quick process that lets you personalize your profile and share this part of your identity with your friends and followers. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, head straight to your profile by clicking on your profile photo, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal Facebook page, where you can customize your details. Next, look for the About section on your profile page and click on it. This section contains all the personal information you've added to your profile, and it's where you can choose to make your gender visible. Within the About section, scroll down or navigate to Contact and Basic Info. Here, you'll find various personal details, including your gender. Locate the gender entry, and you'll see an edit icon next to it. Click on that icon to make changes. Now, after clicking the edit icon, you'll see options related to your gender display settings. To make your gender appear on your timeline, simply check the box that says Show on my timeline. This means your gender will be visible on your profile for others to see. Finally, once you've set everything as you want, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Your Facebook profile will now show your gender publicly on your timeline, making your profile more personalized and informative for your network. That's all it takes to show your gender on your Facebook page using the app on your PC. It's a straightforward update that helps you express yourself more fully. Thanks for watching.